Now let me edit the draft again. You can notice one thing over here, that this particular edge, the rounded edge, and this particular edge, there is a difference between them with respect to the lengths. You can see that this length is smaller than this particular length. Now, if I want them to be equal, I have to select the next option, which is disable round surfaces inlying. So the moment I'm clicking it, you can see that both the lengths are equal right now. So this is basically changing the way the round surface has to be in the draft. Now if I want to add, if I want to delete this particular surface, so I simply have to turn off the feature, and this surface is not involved into the draft right now. If you want to involve it, you can simply select the propagate option. So this is another feature with respect to the draft, and this is involved with respect to the rounded features in the geometry. Let us move to the next video.